Hey, what's up, dawg?
CJ, what's up, baby? Word.
Resist, sunshine, you can do it. For me, eh? Fucking Northerners. No, Macca, fight the urge. Think of Thatcher.
You know it's my time again.
I know, dude, so what's holding you back?
Whoa, hold up. This is video? I gotta see this fool.
Hey, man, you clean now. You got nothing to worry about.
We're going to hang with the homies.
Man, that fake-ass Loke.
Loke? But he's terrible.
Motherfucker. I knew there was something familiar about those rhymes he was kicking. They're from my rhyme book. That's my money. And those are my hoes. And that's my video he's shooting today.
Okay. I say we make a cameo appearance. Just drop in unannounced.
Yeah, that's gangster. Come on.
Thatcher, I love you, Maggie.
Oh, Macca.
I love you, Maggie.
You ain't right in the head, mate.
Let's drop in on Ow ДЖи Лоугтың. See if we can't interrupt that video shoot and recoup some royalties.
And my rhyme book. We're flying in style, baby. You got all the makings of a great man at your car.
Save until we spinning Loke's royalties.
Tell me how a fake buster phony like suck-ass Loke can make it in the rap game, CJ.
Music business is changing, dog. It's all about dance routines and showmanship now. Any fake-ass idiot can get a record deal these days.
So what am I supposed to do?
Dog, you got heart, you got natural style, you got ice-cold gangsters running through your veins. Anybody can get a record deal, but only the genuine article can shake down the house.
CJ, my man, you a natural manager.
He being interviewed, huh? Okay, let's smash this party up.
You fucking phonies! Son, bitch! Give me my rhyme book! Give me back my chain! Give me back my hose!
He busting out. Come on, dog, let's get it.
Come live the mystery.
When strangers become friends, you don't need to know names.
Cool off in our water. Stay away from me. I'll show your kids a great time. It's something they'll never forget and talk about for years to come. Especially at therapy.
I thought we were friends.
It's the place for magic and adventure.
Leaving me free to shop and get lipo.
Who's ready for the incredible voyage?
Jerry, can we come too?
This is a journey you must undertake alone. It can be dark and scary. You'll shriek with delight.
Guess what? LOC.
What's that hole in the wall for?
You wait and see. You'll be amazed. Fuck, this suit's on.
Glory Hole Theme Park. Open every day till 3 a.m.
Mad Dog ain't nothing. Mad Dog, you a drunk ass buster. The kids, they don't want you no more. You washed up. Both of you. Snoop,